I love hearing all these birds lately, don't you? Have you noticed the different colors of their beaks, their feathers, and their feet? Well, that helps us identify the hundreds of different bird species that live in Los Angeles. Today we're going to show you how to make some fun binoculars out of toilet paper tubes, and you can use them to go bird watching with your family and explore the birds that are in your neighborhood. Also, check out our great color by number bird coloring sheets to create your very own bird guide before heading outside. What you will need: 2 toilet paper tubes, a stapler, a hole punch, yarn, stickers, and our items for decoration. To make the binoculars, staple the 2 toilet paper tubes together. Use the hole punch to place holes on one end and opposite sides. Cut a length of yarn and tie each end to a hole to create a strap. Lastly, decorate the binoculars using stickers and our materials. Coloring sheets. Each part of the bird is numbered with a corresponding color. All you need to do is color by number and you have your very own bird guide. Go to treepeople.org, learn at home to download these bird coloring sheets of some of the birds that live in your neighborhood or along the LA River. Once you have learned a little bit more about some of the birds you can find in your neighborhood, head outside with your binoculars and your bird guide and see what birds you can find.